Hello my dear friends, Santosh here. Okay friends, today we discuss disastering system of tropical cyclone and its other impact. And name of the cyclone, tornado, main season originate tornado and features of tornadoes and weather system. And weather system causes tornadoes. Okay. First, we discuss disastering system of tropical cyclone. The main features of a cyclone that cause death and destruction are storm surge, cloudburst, lightning and thundering. Fourth one, rain band, disaster wind velocity 120 km per hour and 500 km per hour. Okay. Other impact. First one, flood and waterlogging in coastal region. Second point, landslide. Third point, epidemic. And fourth point, agriculture disaster. Fifth point, saline soil develop in coastal region. And last one, infrastructure destroy. For example, like road, bridge, ports, etc. Okay. Now, name of the cyclone. Okay, in 17th and 18th century in Australia, on the name of politician, duration of Second World War, American and Air Force scientists, their girlfriend and wife's names given to the cyclone. Since 1953, American Weather Bureau started to given the official name and from famous woman named Cyclone get their name. From 1979, man also include in cyclone name. Now, alternatively, one-time man and one-time woman name given to cyclone. Okay. In 203, Regional Council of World Meteorological Council meeting in Islamabad. Okay. Total 60 name given by the countries to cyclone. For example, in Islamabad, Oman, Pakistan, India. And alphabetical chronology given to the Bangladesh, Myanmar. The name given by these countries given to the cyclone alphabetically like Thailand, Sri Lanka, Maldives. Okay, now we discuss tornado. Tornado, a violently rotating column of air touching the ground, usually attached to the base of thunderstorm. Tornadoes are the nature's most violent stormers. Spawned from the powerful thunderstorms, tornadoes can cause fatalities. Okay, look at the diagram. Lower pressure and cold air mass is a diagram of tornado. Okay. Okay, and devastate a neighborhood in seconds. Winds of tornado may reach 300 miles per hour. Okay, tornado mainly occur in the Mississippi Valley in USA, Northeast Australia. In USA, mainly originate into two seasons. First one, spring season. Second one, summer season. Okay, now we discuss in small brief. Okay. This is a form of tropical cyclone mainly occur in the Mississippi Valley in USA and sometimes they occur in Northeast Australia. In USA, they mainly originate into two seasons. First one, spring season. Second one, summer season. Okay. In the time of spring season, they mainly occur due to the temperature difference between warm and cold mass of Mississippi Valley and cold air mass of Blizzard Valley. Okay. In summer season, they occur due to the rising warm air mass of Mississippi Valley. Okay, now features of tornadoes and weather system. In addition to tornadoes, very heavy rain, frequent lightning, strong wind, and gust and hail are common in such storms. Most tornadoes from supercells follow a recognizable life cycle which begins when increasing rainfall drags with an area of quickly descending air known as the rear flank downdrift RFD. Okay, weather system cause tornadoes. Tornadoes form in unusually violent thunderstorms when there is a sufficient first one, instability. Second one, wind shear present in the lower atmosphere. Okay, now features of tornadoes and weather system cause tornadoes we discuss in small brief. Okay, they look like a conical structure. in the velocity of wind is more than 500 kilometer. Darkening atmosphere become producing tornado, and due to a high pressure difference, the wall and roof are break and flow away. Uh, Cumulonimbus cloud occur, due to the which heavy rainfall occur in small area and in short time. Okay, instability refer to unusually warm and humid condition in the lower atmosphere and possible cooler than usually condition in the upper atmosphere. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Okay, thank you once again and bye bye.